Guys, these are final puff. Although the shape is not looking like puff, it's looking like akara, but
sweet.
It's delicious.
But I'll try to fix it.
Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back. So today we want to make puff. This is my first time actually trying puff. So I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. So I want to make puff. So here I have my measuring cup. This is a cup. So here I have my puff mix. I mixed this yesterday. It has flour, sugar, yeast, nutmeg, and what again? I think that's all. Yeah. So that's what I have here. Then this is my bowl for mixing it. Then I have warm water here to mix it. So I'm just going to take two cups of puff mix from this mix here that I have, just 2 cups. And I have a little helper here. My son is here. Say hi.
Hi.
He has not allowed me to rest. So this is one.
I want to do the 2. I want to do the second one. Me.
Hold on. Where is it? Don't let it go. So that's the second one. So I'm going to close it. So I'm going to add warm water into this mix. I'm going to add it gradually into it. Oh yeah, help me pour water inside. It's okay.
Why did you just add 2? Why did you just
Because it's still going to swell. So this is the mix here. Yeah. And yes, and I like this concept. I think it's a bit runny. Well, let's see how it goes. Remember, this is my first time doing it, so errors are permitted. So here is the mixture. I think it's a bit watery, but I'll leave it like this. So this is the mixture we have here now. So I'm just going to cover it for about 10 minutes for it.
A few minutes later.
So we are back 10 minutes after. Let's see how our mix is. Fingers crossed.
Very well.
Let's remove it from this hot water base. I don't know. Did anything happen here? I think it rose. It rose a bit, yes.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
doubled in size.
Oh yeah.
So if you got to this point, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please subscribe. And if you've not liked this video, please like at this point. Yes, it's doubled in size. So let's go to the frying pan now and fry and see how it comes out. So our oil is hot now, and we are about frying our puff. I hope it's not too runny. I hope it comes out well. So I'll be using the smallest size of my measuring cup to put the batter in it. So I'll be dropping it small. Oh, It's so running. But we'll eat it like that. It's just a trial. Next one will be better.
What do you mean by it's too long?
It's watery. This is akara puff-puff. Oh. This is akara puff-puff.
But you tried.
But it's just a trial. And practice makes perfect. But at least it's floating from the ororo. So, yay! This is Ekiti Puff-Puff. Sorry to my Ekiti people, but I'm proudly Ekiti. See how the thing is dropping like akara. But we move. It's just a trial. The second one will be better than this. Guys, these are final puff-puff. Although the shape is not looking like puff-puff, it's looking like akara, but
Sweet.
it's delicious. My son can testify it is what?
Delicious.
So this is just our first trial. The second one will be better. I discovered the batter was too watery, but the second one will come out top notch. So pick one, share in our snacks. There's love in sharing. So see you in my next, and stay blessed, stay safe, and God bless you for coming along to our first puff recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's the most important thing. Thank you, and see you in our next. Bye.